Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a smooth and premium looking elegant complimentary fill animation using Pixverse. This effect is perfect for products promos because it gently reveals your product's internal components in a clean, elegant motion. First, just open Pixverse. You can access it through the web or just download the Pixverse app from the Play Store if you prefer using phone. And once you're in, just log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Pixverse will give you free daily credit so you can generate animations without paying anything. Next, after login, just head to the template sections or template tab. Over here, just tap on it, and then next just tap on product marketing. This one, just tap on it like this, and then in here, Pixverse has a lot of ready-made animation templates that will designs to make your product look professional instantly. Now just choose template that called mechanical assembly. This one, just tap on it, and then just tap on use template. This is the effect that creates the elegant component reveal where your product gently separates into parts and then floats slightly apart and then comes back together effortlessly. It will create a premium, high-tech vibe without looking explosive or chaotic. Perfect for showcasing craftsmanship and internal designs. Next, just upload a clear photo of the product that you want to animate. Good lighting and a simple background will help Pixverse generate a cleaner animations. Just upload or select your product photo like this, and then when you're done, just tap on create. This one, it will take 20 credits, and then just go back and then just go to mine and then wait for the process. Okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this. The result, it looks so amazing. The components perfectly gently and then it rotates smoothly and then reassemble with a premium cinematic motions. It looks like a professional product or field that you see in high-tech commercials. And okay, maybe that's it. Just try it out, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.